Hello everyone to Civil Wednesday YouTube channel, and today we are mainly discussing about the characteristic strength, and mainly this is related to the concrete. So first let's understand what is characteristic strength, and mainly this is of the concrete with the help of the uh, graph, or we can say the plot of the frequency versus compressive strength of the concrete. So first let's define what is characteristic strength. So value of the it is the value of the strength below which not more than 5% of the test result, or it is the compressive strength test, and those are not expected to fail. So it means that when you cast a concrete cubes, suppose this is a concrete cube of 150 by 150 by 150 and or it may be cylinder also. You can use cylinder test also to carry out the strength of the concrete. So however, we are doing this for the cubes mostly. So when you cast these 150 by 150 by 150 cubes, and later on after 28 days you go and test it in the compression strength testing machine. So you put these cubes in the compression testing machines, and after that you obtain the compressive strength of each concrete cubes. So when you test that cubes and then obtain the compressive strength test from the compressive strength testing machine, you use this and plot the graph. So for each compressive strength test you plot this way, and then the frequency means how many of the cubes failed for the particular compressive strength are plotted in this, and the curves are formed, we see. So the graph formed is a normal distribution curve, and this whole thing is carried out to create a graph actually. And from this graph we see that for the particular strength we write the letters L, C and T. So here the L means that it is the lowest test strength. So when you test, it is the lowest value of the compressive strength, and the T means that it is the target mean strength. So most of the test result falls under this target mean strength region, here around this region. And after the plot, so characteristic strength is that value which is 1.65 times s distance from the 1.65 times s distance from the target mean strength region. So this is 1.65, yes, and you put the value C or write the letter C here. So characteristic strength is that value, and beyond this value 5% of the test results mainly fall. And the strength of the concrete, suppose most of the concrete have uh, M20 strength. Suppose the concrete has strength of 20 MPa, but the 5% of the test results, suppose you carry out 100 tests and 5 cubes have compressive strength less than 20 MPa. So it means that the characteristic strength of the concrete, that means only 5 of the cubes failed. So beyond that 20 MPa other cubes didn't fail, so that value of the failure or the characteristic strength is considered as 20 MPa. So I have written the definitions explained in the curves, and yes, FCK is written as characteristic strength, and it is done after 28 days after casting. The relation is that FCK equal to FM minus 1.65 yes. So FCK means this characteristic strength. Here it is represented by C, and then here FM means target mean strength, means most of the test results fall at this 50 percentage region. So 50 percentage of that test result is considered to be target mean strength, and then the standard deviation. Standard deviation S is the scatter or the variation in the test result, and it is considered around the uh, center or target mean region. It is considered within the target mean region, within this region. So this is all. So the main demo or motto is that our test results should not fail more than 5% of the carried out strength test.